Hey guys, if you've been watching any of my trail camera videos, you'll recognize this gate we have to jump to get back into our local neighborhood, WMA. It's a nice, cool day, and it's supposed to be cool for the next couple days. So hopefully, I'm gonna go back, and we got 2 more trail cameras, so now we have 4 cameras. So I'm gonna set number 3 out back in here at one of our favorite spots, but I'm going to try to get a different angle on it so we get more of the animals coming than going. So right here is one of our favorite spots. We've got a lot of good footage from this spot, a lot of variety. So I have been facing my cameras more to the north. I'm getting a lot of animals crossing here, so I wanted to try to face my camera a different way. Problem is, if I try to face it this way, we're going to be dealing with that. So you see a little bit of fresh hog rootings. I did notice a lot of the animals are going this way here, and a lot of them are going up through that little trail right there. So we'll go walk it around a little bit, see if there's an alternative. Alright, so after some deliberation, I think I'm going to risk certain one time of the day, which is about this time of the day, that camera being right in that direct sun, to put it right here on this tree, looking back at that trail. So there's only going to be a couple hours of the day where that sun's going to be shining directly on it. There we go. I used some bromeliads, a little bit of Spanish moss, a little palmetto. Make sure that the cable, I don't have the little locks for these yet. I need to get those. Okay. Make sure nothing gets out there in front of the lens. So, think a little better angle on this area. Oh, we'll see in about a week. So if an animal comes start walking down this trail right here, gonna definitely trigger that camera. And almost everything we've seen in here has been going that direction. And animals tend to follow a pattern and a loop while they're searching for food. So I think we're going to go back the way we came because it was a lot drier. I know it's still swampy down there, and it rained yesterday. So we'll go ahead and get out of here, and we'll be back in a week and see what we got on this camera. thought I was safe. I thought it was too late in the year for them to go ahead and burn this. Obviously not. Gates are open. Just passed them down there. Back in there burning it. Don't know if we should go in now, see if the camera's all right, or what. Alright, so we decided to walk in, see what's going on. So good news is right now, pretty close to this side, I don't see any smoke coming up here, and our camera's really close. They're burned back over really close, and you've seen the sign. So, but I don't see any smoke over here on this side, and it's only a short walk in here to get this camera. Maybe we can get in here and get it out in front of them. Let's see. I know they try to have these fires out by dark, so I know that from growing up around it. I said my father was a career forest ranger, and we used to help him do this when on private land when we were kids, me and my two brothers. So I know what I'm doing, and I know how these fires, prescribed burns, behave. So I know it's not gonna let it come rushing through here in the tops of the trees. They generally burn it against the wind, and so if they haven't started it down here yet, oh, I'm wrong. They must have done this really early this morning. Okay. Well, you'll see it as I did. Just hoping where we had the camera, it's going to be all right. Yep. Well, we don't have to worry about the fire coming after us. Didn't burn real hot in here. You see a couple spots over there where the tops of the pines are a little scorched, where it got a little hot, but most of this is not been very hot, so hopefully it was nice and gentle and didn't melt our camera. Back to you in just a sec. Yes, I cannot believe I've avoided getting burned up twice. You see how that fire is making its way back up to that tree? It's going to continue doing that and keep backing against the wind nice and slow. And our tree was right there. Yeah, so no apparent damage to the camera. It is a little warm. Looks fine. This was a brand new one too. This is the first time it's been in the woods. Let's pack it up before the fire gets going back after us again over here. Get the heck out of here. Man, I'm glad I was paying attention. I seen the smoke all the way from town, and I was like, oh my God, I hope they're not burning in there. Yep. Wow. And here's the tree where I normally put it right there. You see it burned all up underneath that already. If I'd have had it on that tree, it'd probably been done. Just happened to have moved it over there and got here. Oh, smoke. I got here just in time to save that camera. is right over here. Okay, burn right around here. Alright. I'm gonna pull you out. I'm gonna pull you out just in case this tries to rekindle. And we'll bring it back and see what comes back in here and how long it takes.